Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to rank your YouTube videos high on search results. If your YouTube channel is not growing, making searchable videos is a great strategy to solve this problem. However, you need to rank your videos high on search results, otherwise it doesn't work. Ranking videos on YouTube search can lead to massive and sustained growth. Searchable videos continue to attract viewers daily, keeping their traffic steady over time. Once a video ranks high, it can remain there for years, generating consistent views. Many successful creators leverage this strategy to accumulate hundreds of thousands of views long after publishing, proving the power of YouTube search. In this video, I am going to show you all the necessary steps to rank your videos high on YouTube search. First, let's understand how the YouTube search algorithm works. When you search for something on YouTube, it provides a list of videos. However, these videos are not ranked randomly. The algorithm ranks them based on two key factors: relevancy and engagement. For example, this video is ranked higher than others because the algorithm believes it is more relevant to the search term and likely has better engagement, such as watch time, likes, and comments. Therefore, to rank high, your videos need to be relevant and engaging. For relevancy, two important factors come into play: keyword research and SEO, search engine optimization. Keyword research is the process of identifying words and phrases that people actually search for. You can't do this manually, so tools like VidIQ help with keyword research. VidIQ is a trusted brand among YouTubers, helping creators find the right keywords based on search volume and competition. Without this information, you risk targeting the wrong keywords, leading to either no views because no one is searching for them or too much competition, making it hard for small channels to rank. Before we go into an example of keyword research, you can sign up for VidIQ using the link in the description and start testing it for free. After signing up, connect your YouTube channel with VidIQ, and then you are ready to go. Let's say you want to make a video about how to use ChatGPT. When we search for this term, we see that large channels dominate this topic, making it hard for small YouTube channels to compete. No matter how good your video is, you won't outrank channels with hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers. This is where keyword research becomes valuable. Let's copy this search term into VidIQ. VidIQ provides an overall score based on two key metrics: search volume and competition. Search volume indicates how many people search for the keyword, while competition indicates how hard it is to rank for that keyword. If the search volume is high, but the competition is also high, it will be difficult for a small channel to rank. VidIQ provides alternative keyword suggestions under different sections: Overview, Related Keywords, Matching Terms, and Questions. The Overview tab gives general insights into the keyword. The Related Keywords tab lists similar keywords that include or relate to your main keyword. The Matching Terms tab provides keyword ideas that directly include your search term. The Questions tab lists actual questions people are searching for. Let's say we switch to the Matching Terms tab and find that ChatGPT plugins has a low competition score. This is a good keyword choice because it has search volume but low competition, increasing the chances of ranking. Another useful section is the Questions tab, where people search for specific queries, such as how to upload a PDF in ChatGPT. Checking the search results for this term, we see smaller channels ranking high, which indicates that a small channel has a chance to rank for this keyword. When we analyze the top-ranking videos, we can see their performance using VidIQ's historical data. If a video shows steady growth over time, it is a good indication that the keyword has consistent interest. Once you find good keywords, it is important to verify that the search volume is accurate. Most of the time, VidIQ's data is correct, but sometimes the search volume can be different. You can verify this by checking the top-ranking videos using the VidIQ browser extension. Look at the historical data of the top 2 or 3 ranked videos. If a video has been growing steadily and still receives views per hour, this is a sign that the keyword is valuable. After choosing your video topic and keywords, the next step is applying SEO. SEO is optimizing your content using the right keywords in your title, description, tags, and by actually saying them in your video. Since YouTube is owned by Google, proper SEO can also help your video rank on Google search. The most important part of SEO is using the target keywords in the title and description. For the title, you can copy the keyword exactly as suggested by VidIQ. Another option is to naturally integrate the keywords, but this can sometimes affect ranking. That's why I prefer copying the keyword directly from VidIQ and pasting it as my video title. The description is also crucial for SEO. Avoid leaving this box empty or filling it with random text. Instead, include the main keyword in the first 2 lines. For example, if your keyword is how to upload a PDF in ChatGPT, you can write, "Quickly learn how to upload a PDF in ChatGPT." Additionally, you can include related keywords suggested by VidIQ in a natural way within the description. If you struggle to write descriptions, you can use ChatGPT to generate a YouTube description containing your keywords. Tags play an essential role in helping YouTube understand the overall context and subject of a video. While some creators argue that tags have become less significant over the years, they still serve as a useful tool for providing additional metadata. Adding relevant tags ensures that YouTube has more context about the video, which can contribute to improved discoverability. To optimize tags effectively, tools like VidIQ offer recommended tag suggestions based on search volume and competition. By incorporating high-ranking tags that are closely related to the video's content, creators can increase the likelihood of their videos appearing in relevant search results and suggested video recommendations. Beyond tags, using important keywords within the actual video itself is another valuable SEO strategy. YouTube's algorithm not only analyzes written metadata, such as titles, descriptions, and tags, but also processes the spoken content within a video. This means that mentioning the main keyword naturally throughout the script reinforces its relevance and helps YouTube rank the content more accurately. VidIQ is a powerful tool that plays a crucial role in YouTube SEO and keyword research. One standout feature is its daily video idea suggestions, which use AI to predict topics with high potential for views. This allows creators to stay ahead of trends and produce content that aligns with current audience interests. VidIQ also provides AI-powered tools for generating video ideas, assisting with scriptwriting, and even offering insights into video creation. Additionally, VidIQ includes optimization features that provide feedback on existing videos. By analyzing key performance metrics, the tool identifies what is working well and highlights areas that could be improved. This level of insight enables creators to refine their content strategy and continuously enhance video performance. One of the most crucial factors in ranking higher on YouTube search is audience engagement. A well-made, high-quality video naturally attracts more likes, comments, and shares. However, one of the most important engagement metrics YouTube considers when ranking videos is audience retention. This metric measures how much of a video viewers watch before clicking away. A higher retention rate signals to YouTube that the content is engaging, valuable, and worth promoting to a wider audience. Videos with strong audience retention tend to perform better in search rankings, even when other factors such as keyword optimization and metadata are similar. To improve retention, creators should focus on keeping their content engaging, informative, and well-paced while minimizing unnecessary filler. The longer viewers stay engaged, the more likely the video is to be recommended by YouTube's algorithm, leading to greater exposure and long-term success on the platform. For those interested in using VidIQ to optimize their YouTube channel, check out the link in the description to try it out.